Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to Fennec Pharmaceuticals and Full Year 2025 Earnings and Corporate Update Conference Call. At this time, all participants are on a listen-only mode. Later, we will conduct a question-and-answer session, and instructions on how to participate will be given at that time. As a reminder, today's conference call is being recorded. Now, I'd like to turn the conference over to Fennec's Chief Financial Officer, Robert Andrade.
Thank you, Operator, and good morning, everyone. Thank you for joining us today. We are pleased to host Fennec Pharmaceuticals' fourth quarter and full year 2025 earnings conference call, during which we will review our financial results as well as provide a general business update. Towards the end of the call, we will conduct a Q&A session hosted by myself, starting with frequent questions that the company receives from investors, followed by our traditional open Q&A session. Joining me from Fennec this morning is our Chief Executive Officer and board member, Jeff Hackman. I am also pleased to welcome our Chief Medical Officer, Dr. Pierre Sayad. Pierre is an accomplished industry executive with proven success leading global medical teams and oncology launches at companies such as Onyx Pharmaceuticals, Karyopharm Therapeutics, Oncopeptides, and CTI BioPharma. Dr. Sayad is a graduate of the School of Medicine of Loma Linda University, as well as a Harvard Business School alum. Since joining Fennec in the fourth quarter of 2024, Pierre has been instrumental in advancing our medical strategy and clinical evidence strategy, expanding engagement with leading institutions and key opinion leaders, and strengthening the independent data foundation supporting PEDMARK. Later in the call, Pierre will speak to the substantial progress being made on the medical front and the importance of the medical team in the education process of CIO and PEDMARK. Before we begin, I would like to remind you that during this call, the company will be making forward-looking statements that are subject to risks and uncertainties that may cause actual results to differ from the results discussed in the forward-looking statements. References to these risks and uncertainties are made in today's press release and disclosed in detail in the company's periodic and current event filings with the U.S. SEC. In addition, any forward-looking statements made on this call represent our views only as of today and should not be relied upon as representing our views as of any subsequent date. We specifically disclaim any obligation to update or revise any forward-looking statements. This conference call is being recorded for audio rebroadcast on Fennec's website, www.fennecpharma.com, where it will be available for the next 30 days. And with that, I'll turn the call over to our CEO, Jeff Hackman.
Thank you, Robert. Good morning, everyone. Hey, thanks for joining us today on a very special earnings call. 2025 was a transformational year for Fennec. We delivered record net product sales of $44.6 million compared to $29.6 million in 2024. But most importantly, this growth was really driven by quarter-over-quarter expansion with our active patients as well as new and existing accounts. This reinforces the durability and demand and the effectiveness of our overall market development strategies. In the fourth quarter, given the positive momentum we saw in 2025, we made the strategic decision to further enhance our execution by increasing our customer-facing team and to try to achieve a much greater reach and frequency with our customers so we can ultimately help more cancer patients protect their hearing. We expanded our capabilities to include new territories in high-prescribing targets in the AYA or adolescent and young adult market. We strengthened the company's financial health during the year with disciplined operating decisions and efficiency measures, including the closing of public offerings, raising over $42 million in net proceeds, which resulted in the full redemption of our debt. We were intentional in our capital allocation, focused on high-impact initiatives, and continued to enhance our operating leverage as our business scaled. This balanced approach in investing in growth while maintaining financial rigor has positioned us well for long-term value creation, with the strongest balance sheet right now in the company's history. Our full-service patient support program, I've mentioned before in the past, Fennec HEARS, which is designed to simplify access and support continuity of care by guiding patients through coverage, reimbursement, and providing free product for eligible individuals, as well as coordinating a nurse-led administration and at-home infusion services, achieved a record performance in the fourth quarter.